Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about rosemary, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with rosemary. So if you're looking for some ideas for something a little different to do, hopefully this will help you out. In the way of protein foods, that include legumes, nuts, and seeds. There's beans, especially cannellini beans, fava, green beans, and white beans. Chicken, eggs, lamb, lentils, peas, as in split peas, pine nuts, pork, salmon, tofu, and tuna. In the way of vegetables, asparagus goes well with rosemary, beets, bell peppers, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, celery, chives, eggplant, fennel, garlic, leeks, mushrooms, onions, parsnips, potatoes, radicchio, scallions, shallots, spinach, squash, and that includes both summer and winter squash, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, and tomato juice, vegetables in general, and also zucchini. In the way of fruits, apples pair well with rosemary, apricots, citrus fruits, figs, poached fruit, grapefruit, grapes, lemon, limes, olives, orange, pears, pumpkin, and strawberries. In the way of grains and grain products, there's barley, breadcrumbs, grains in general, polenta, quinoa, and rice. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods, there's butter, cheese, especially cheddar cheese, cream cheese, feta, goat cheese, parmesan, and ricotta cheese, cream, milk, and yogurt. In the way of other foods, there's gin, honey, oil, especially olive oil, sherry, vinegar in general, and wine. I do hope this helps you out in your creative activities in the kitchen. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.